Today's project is changing out the spigot for my hose in my backyard. The old one was leaking and it's pretty old. I couldn't find replacement parts. So this is the old one. I couldn't find the internal gaskets. I guess they just don't make it anymore. The thing is probably as old as the house, so it's probably from the 60s. Luckily, there's a little access panel inside the basement, so I should be able to get to this pretty easily. Need PEX cutters because I'm using PEX. Pipe cutter because I got to cut the current copper pipe, and I got some SharkBite fittings. I should only need a coupler and 190. Got extras just to have. It's always, these things are awesome. If you haven't used SharkBite, it makes plumbing so easy. These things can hook on to PEX, copper. It's great. This little access cover. So this is the line that goes to the outside spigot. So I'm just gonna cut it right around here, put a coupler on, go a little ways down, put a 90, and that'll all be in PEX to the new SharkBite spigot. And the great thing about this new spigot is it's also a SharkBite. So you literally just push it in to the pipe and it creates a watertight seal. And then screw it into the house and you're good to go. And then come around, tighten a little more. So I've never had this happen. This thing just started walking down the pipe. Not the best pipe cutter. I don't know if the blade's not that sharp or what. All right, so I got the cut, but this is literally the worst pipe cutter ever. I had to apply so much pressure with channel locks to tighten so it wouldn't start walking across the pipe like it did everywhere else. I've never had that happen, even with small pipe cutters like this. This one, I think it's just too loose. It's just not well made. Yeah, so these were just nailed in. It's funny how from back in the day, everything is either with a nail or a flathead screw. All right, round two with the world's crappiest pipe cutter. It's supposed to cut up to 5/8 of an inch. It's just, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna hack this off with a Sawzall blade. Got it, but it started walking again. Crappy pipe cutter. But all right, we're gonna save this and this pipe just so we can get a rough measurement as to how far the PEX has to go in. With PEX, there's play because it's flexible. So pipe is gonna come out about, PEX is gonna come out about, let's see, 3.5 inches. I'm gonna go 3 3/4 just to give myself a little extra play. Let's see, so you just take this, put this in the line, pretty simple. All right, we got this piece cut. All right, we're gonna take our 3 3/4 inch piece. We're gonna put 90 on it. This is easy, just push it in just a little bit, pull it out. There, good tight seal, shouldn't leak. Let's put our coupling on the end. That's all cleaned up and ready to go. Take your fitting on the copper, push it in, give a little twist, pull it out, and that is on there solid. Another good thing about these fittings is you can remove them and reuse them plenty of times, which is great. Now we need to take our pipe and I'm gonna leave it loose. I'm not gonna connect it right here yet. I wanna connect the spigot part outside first. So I gotta put it over here, find the hole to the outside. Okay, right there. Now I should be able to grab it from the other side and put the spigot end on. PVC is sticking out through the wall right here. Should have enough play to grab this, but I'm gonna grab it gently with a set of pliers. Right there. Take your SharkBite spigot, put it on. Once it pushes in and bottoms out, you know you're good. So that'll sit right around there. I'll put 2 screws in, some silicone caulking, and let's go connect on the inside and test it out. All right, we're gonna connect this one last joint right here. Should be easy. Let's see if I can do it while you can see it on camera. Just make sure there's no. All right, that is on there. Let's test it real quick for leaks. Water is back on. No leaks yet. No leaks from the 90 in there. Now let's go outside. All right, let's see if we got water again. Yep. So yeah, now I'm just gonna screw this in here and we should be all set to hook up the hose again. So we want to use some exterior. 2-inch, should be good, shouldn't be too long, should hopefully be enough to grab into something. All right. Another good thing about SharkBite too is it allows you to literally turn it and twist it, still won't leak. So get it right about level up and down. Let's get our screw, pressure to it, too tight. All right, that is nice and snug. Water. All right, to seal this, we're gonna use some of this DAP crown molding, crack proof, flexibility, paint in 30 minutes. We're not gonna paint it, but waterproof seal, that's what we're looking for. And it is interior, exterior. So we're gonna try and put a little bead around this whole thing. Just a light bead. Let's see if we can spread it around, create a nice seal. Not the prettiest, but does the trick. So, all right, that looks to be a good seal. All right. There we go. That's how easy it is to change the spigot with SharkBite fittings. I mean, the whole thing probably only took 40 minutes max. It's not bad. Just take one last check to make sure we get no drips, no water there, and no water there. So yeah, that's all set. Pretty easy. Thanks for watching.